Hey everyone, no sound on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you quick and easy steps to fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Check volume and output device. First, click on the speaker icon in the taskbar. Make sure your volume is not muted and is turned up. Now click the arrow next to it and confirm the correct output device is selected, like your speakers or headphones. Step 2. Run Audio Troubleshooter. Next, right-click the speaker icon and click on Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Windows will automatically detect and fix common audio issues. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Restart Windows. Audio Service. Windows plus R, type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Audio. Right-click on it and click Restart. This often fixes sound problems instantly. Our Step 4. Update audio drivers. Now right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device and click Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically. Step 5. Check Sound Settings. Click the Start menu, then go to Settings. Click the System on the left, and then click on Sound. Make sure the correct output device is selected and the volume is set properly. That's it. One of these methods should fix your audio issue. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.